guys, we're going to do an open box video of this Night Owl camera system. Just got it for Black Friday. Bought it at PC Richards. It was on sale, half off almost. It's 8 cameras, 1 DVR with 1 terabyte hard drive. Records in HD, they say. It's a 3 megapixel camera. Yes. Right, Adam?
Right.
Adam's gonna help me unbox this, and we're gonna see what we have. No, very dangerous.
I know how to use it.
You don't talk.
And I use a knife.
And you use a knife. Okay.
I used the knife and it didn't cut me. It
didn't cut him. Okay.
It didn't cut me. Certain things don't cut me.
Okay.
Because I'm very careful with things.
You have to be careful.
I'm very careful.
Remember, Adam was the kid in the video with a train?
Yeah.
Remember? You like New York City trains, right?
Yeah. I love trains.
Okay, so we got, opening it up. Well packed. And there's 3 boxes inside.
Boxes of
This says, let's see what's in box number 1.
Box number 1.
Oh, again, I need a razor blade. Watch your finger. I don't cut this open. Packing is good. Packaging is good, so that's a good sign.
It's a very good sign.
That means hopefully nothing's broken and it's packed right. Hold on, be careful. Okay, in box number 1 we have
what? Another box?
another box. We have cables.
Another one.
Protection. More cables. And these must be the cameras.
Yeah.
Yeah. So in one box you have a set of 4.
Set of 4.
So I'm assuming the other box has a set of 4.
1, 2, 3, 4.
4 cameras, right?
4 cameras. 4 camera boxes.
And then there's probably the power supply. So you have 4 cables.
In one box.
This is the power supply.
Yeah.
Here's the power supply for the camera.
Yeah. You could.
And you have a splitter for 4 cameras. So you have 1 power supply, a splitter for 4. Let's look at these cameras now.
Let's open box number 1.
Well, we're just going to do one because they're all the same.
Yeah. You could make videos everywhere.
Okay. That's camera number 1.
What is that?
In the box we have screws and anchors.
Screws, anchors, like a boat's anchor.
And then here's the camera.
Camera.
They give you, I think, maybe 30 feet of wire.
Yes.
Plastic casing.
So.
This is a sensor there, a motion sensor probably. And the
picture.
The camera.
Yeah, the camera.
Okay. Is mountable different ways.
Yeah.
It has pivots. You can lock into a place.
Yes.
You have another rotating feature here. You need a pair of pliers. You loosen this up and you can rotate.
Yeah.
And this probably rotate too. Okay, so that's the camera. So you get 4 cameras.
Yeah, 4 cameras.
In one box. Okay. And then there's the other box with the 4 more cameras. Is labeled. And this is a DVR. Let's see what we have for DVR.
DVR.
Put this down.
DVR cameras! Okay, those are DVR cameras actually?
No, this is the recorder. The DVR is the key.
The same one as this?
No, this way it connects to it and records into it.
Into this one?
Into this. It saves all the information here and runs the system.
Runs the system?
Yes.
Yeah. Security cameras.
Right, leave it alone.
Do security cameras move all by itself?
Not these, no.
No.
Alright, so we'll open this up.
Just open DVR.
DVR.
Oh, DVR.
D as in David. DVR. This is hard to open. This has a lot.
DVR.
DV.
D.
V.
D.
V. You can let it.
DR.
DVR.
DVR.
Yes. Okay.
Now we got this piece.
Well packed again. Protected very well.
What? There's nothing in there.
Then you have.
Nothing. Nothing but nothing.
Okay, we have 2 security stickers and a large security sticker.
What are those for?
You have a quick setup manual.
Wow, that's a book.
And this, oh, we got more stickers here.
Yeah.
More stickers. We have HDMI cable,
Yeah.
an Ethernet cord,
Yeah.
a power supply,
Yeah.
and a wired mouse. And we have DVR. Alright, so this is what we get in this box. I'll be installing this and I'll show you how it works later on. So this is the Nightwell DVR THD 301-88P. 8 camera system. So Adam, what do you think about this camera system? Does it look cool?
Yeah, very cool.
Cool?
Cool.
Would you give it a thumbs up? You give it a thumbs up, so we'll give it a try. I'll continue unboxing everything, and we'll be installing it. And I'll show you some pictures, actual footage of the unit when it's running. Cool. Thank you.
Open this later.
Till next time.